Hello everyone, how are you? Today I am trading again on the Pocket Option platform, and as usual, I use the Pro version of the software to analyze the market. For those of you who want to download it and gain access, please check the description. Okay, I see a neutral signal here on the 1 minute time frame, and we look at the 5-minute signal, and it turns out to be the same. Here I am choosing a different market to analyze. All right, let's look at the signals that are emerging. And yeah, this is a really strong signal, and I'm going to buy in aggressively. Okay guys, as you can see on the screen, I'm taking a buy position based on the signal provided by this software. What makes this interesting is how simple the process is. You don't need to be confused by too many indicators or perform complicated analysis. Just pay attention to the signal that appears and use it as one of the factors to consider before making a trading decision. So, in my opinion, this software is very easy to use, even for those of you who are beginners and are just starting to learn about trading. And now we've entered a buy position. Let's wait for a moment and see how the price moves. Will the signal provided this time be correct? All right, now let's see the result. And there it is. Boom! We got the win. Look at that! The price moved exactly in the direction of our signal, and that trade closed in profit. That was a powerful move, and the result speaks for itself. But remember, we're not stopping here. One trade is done. Now, let's see if we can find another opportunity. All right, let's move on to the next trade. All right, everyone, now it's time to get down to business. As you can see, I've entered 2 different markets simultaneously. Why? Because I want to put this tool to the ultimate test and observe its performance live and in real time across 2 different markets. No need to wait. No need for guesswork. I'm simply following the signals as they appear. Now, both positions are open. Will they both move according to our predictions? We're about to find out. All right, guys, now let's rewind a few seconds and see how this trade played out. And there it is, another win. The price moved in our direction, and this trade closed in profit. That's exactly the kind of result we wanted to see. But we're not done yet. Now, let's move on to the next trade and see if we can keep this momentum going. And yes, the result is absolutely perfect. As you can see, my balance has increased once again. We've had some great results throughout this session, and now I'm going to make one final trade before we close everything down. So let's see how this last trade plays out. And no matter what happens, I want to say thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next trading session. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and trade smart.